Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here. No,
okay then, no flagless units on this one. 8172.
I'm mad. I think I have to be a little bit mad.
You seem to specialise in doing that nobody else wants to do.
I think there is a reason behind that though. I feel if I bought a car which was an absolute brand spanker, I would only make it worse. Buying a car which is sort of been scraped from the gutter, I don't think you can make it worse.
That's a very good point, because that's where you stray into modifying.
Now, Hammond and myself got talking for a long time, and a lot of the interview is on Drive Tribe's channel, but we had a lot of things in common, but we also disagreed on a few things. James has seen my Maserati.
This is James, man.
Yeah, so...
There's the crossing.
Yeah, so James, maybe I could understand why he might not understand what exactly I've done to the Maserati. Some people appreciate it, most people don't, but it's a head.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Leave. As a
Yeah, that's correct. It's time to find out what we actually thought about the E46 and to collect the Sloopers Code score. It's a 37 out of 50, not a bad score at all, especially for a car that for most of its life has been fast travel track.